Have you ever felt like someone in your life is a friend, but their actions and words leave you feeling drained and uneasy? You might be dealing with a frenemy. Unlike a true friend, who genuinely cares for your well-being and supports you unconditionally, a frenemy is someone who pretends to be your friend, but secretly harbors negative feelings towards you, often displaying jealousy, competition, or manipulation. Identifying toxic friendships is very important as those can have a significant negative impact on your mental and emotional health, leading to feelings of insecurity, anxiety, and low self-esteem. However, I cannot guarantee you that if you do all the things I will present in this video, your frenemy will turn back into your trusted friend, because sometimes it's just better to let go of certain people, and if that's the case for you, I will leave a link in the description for you to check out. Without further ado, let's get into it. Sign 1. Constant competition. Constant competition within a friendship can be a red flag for friendship behavior. While a healthy level of competition can be motivating and fun, when it becomes a source of tension and resentment, it indicates underlying issues in the relationship. Unhealthy competition can lead to one or both parties feeling the need to exceed each other, further leading to insecurity and high levels of stress. Examples of competitive behaviors include constantly comparing achievements, disapproving each other's successes, and seeking validation through outdoing one another. Addressing competitive tendencies in friendships involves open communication, setting boundaries, and focusing on collaboration rather than competition. Fostering a supportive and encouraging environment can create a healthier dynamic that prioritizes mutual growth and respect. Sign 2. Passive-aggressive comments. Passive-aggressive comments can be a subtle yet telling sign of frenemy behavior in a friendship. Passive-aggressive behavior involves expressing negative feelings indirectly, often through sarcasm, snide remarks disguised as jokes, insincere compliments, or subtle jabs. This type of communication can create a toxic atmosphere of tension and resentment, eroding trust and intimacy in the relationship. Common passive-aggressive phrases are, "I'm surprised you got that job. You must have really good luck." Or, "It's nice you're so confident. I could never wear something like that." Addressing passive-aggressive communication in friendships requires honest and direct conversations about feelings and expectations. Setting clear boundaries, practicing active listening, and addressing issues as they arise can help foster open and healthy communication in the friendship. By recognizing and addressing passive-aggressive behavior, you can create a more positive and supportive dynamic with your friend. Sign 3. Lack of genuine support. A lack of emotional support in a friendship can be a clear indicator of frenemy behavior. Genuine support is where friends uplift and encourage each other through both triumphs and challenges, fostering trust and emotional intimacy. When support is absent or insincere, it can signify hidden intentions and a lack of true friendship. Unsupportive behaviors that may reveal frenemy tendencies include downplaying your achievements, being dismissive of your feelings, and only showing interest when it benefits them. This includes things like, "That's a cute little hobby you have," or, "I guess everyone gets lucky sometimes." Fostering supportive relationships involves actively listening, celebrating each other's successes, and offering a shoulder to lean on during tough times. Sign 4. Mixed signals and inconsistencies. When a friend's words and actions are inconsistent or contradictory, it can create confusion and emotional distress, leading to a sense of instability and mistrust in the relationship. Common inconsistencies that may indicate frenemy behavior include saying one thing, but doing another, being unreliable or flaky, and constantly changing opinions or loyalties. An example could be a friend who frequently promises to meet, but often cancels last minute. They praise your decisions privately but criticize them to others, causing confusion and mistrust in the relationship. Addressing misunderstandings and establishing clear communication is key to navigating these challenges in friendships. By openly discussing concerns, setting expectations, and seeking clarity when faced with mixed signals, you can work towards building a more transparent and authentic connection with your friend. Sign 5. Emotional manipulation. Emotional manipulation in friendships is a huge red flag and can be very dangerous. It involves using tactics such as guilt tripping, which is causing a person to feel guilt or responsibility, gaslighting, which is creating self-doubts in the victim's mind, or playing on emotions to control or influence others, often at the expense of their well-being. This behavior can have detrimental effects on self-esteem, mental health, and the overall dynamic of the friendship. Examples of manipulative behaviors that may go unnoticed in friendships include constantly seeking validation, making unreasonable demands, and using emotional outbursts to gain sympathy or control. Setting boundaries and recognizing manipulation tactics are crucial in protecting yourself and maintaining a healthy friendship. By practicing assertiveness, trusting your instincts, and seeking support from trusted individuals, you can empower yourself to navigate manipulative behaviors and cultivate relationships based on mutual respect and authenticity. Sign 6. Betrayal of trust. Trust is the foundation of healthy relationships, providing a sense of security, honesty, and reliability between friends. When trust is broken through betrayal, no matter how small, it can shatter the bond and reveal underlying issues in the friendship. Common forms of betrayal that may erode trust in friendships include gossiping behind your back, breaking promises, and sharing personal information without consent. Rebuilding trust in a friendship is extremely hard and requires open communication, accountability, and a willingness to address the root causes of betrayal. However, in cases where trust cannot be restored, it may be necessary to let go of toxic relationships to prioritize your well-being and emotional health. Sign 7. Jealousy and sabotage. Jealousy, fueled by feelings of envy or insecurity, can lead to destructive behaviors that ruin trust and harmony in the relationship. Sabotage, whether intentional or subconscious, harm the well-being and success of a friend, highlighting hidden agendas and toxic dynamics. Signs of jealousy and subtle sabotage tactics in friendships include disapproving your achievements, spreading rumors to tarnish your reputation, or undermining your goals and aspirations. Addressing jealousy and promoting a supportive friendship dynamic involves fostering open communication, practicing empathy, and celebrating each other's successes without comparison. By addressing underlying insecurities, setting boundaries, and prioritizing mutual growth and encouragement, you can navigate jealousy and sabotage in friendships with grace and integrity. Identifying signs of a frenemy in a friendship is crucial for maintaining your well-being and fostering healthy relationships. From constant competition to betrayal, each sign serves as a red flag for toxic dynamics that may harm your mental and emotional health. We encourage you to reflect on your own relationships, evaluate the presence of these signs, and prioritize setting healthy boundaries to protect yourself from toxic influences. Remember, true friendships are built on trust, support, and mutual respect. If you suspect a frenemy in your midst, have the courage to address the issues or consider letting go of toxic relationships for your well-being. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to spread awareness about toxic friendships and empower others to cultivate positive and authentic connections.